How to change phone number on Instagram. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how easy it is to change your phone number in the application Instagram. Everything is very simple. You just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, go to the Instagram application and go to a personal profile by clicking on your profile image in the bottom right corner. Then click on the icon in the form of three lines in the upper right corner and immediately go to the section Settings and Privacy. Then click on the line Account Center and flip down, click on the option Personal Details. And right here you can easily change your phone number. Click on the first line of contact info and figuratively you have not yet tied your phone number to your Instagram account. Then you need to click Add New Contact and choose to add a new phone number. Then type the number you want to attach to your account and select the account to which you want to attach. After you do it, all you have to do is press the window Next, and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you all for watching.